Dakin oxidation is a redox reaction that involves the reaction of an ortho or para-hydroxylated benzaldehyde or ketone with hydrogen peroxide under basic conditions to yield a dihydroxylated benzene and a carboxylate. In this video, we'll talk about the mechanism of the reaction. So let's begin. Right, so because we are using hydrogen peroxide under basic conditions, so in the first step, this hydroxyl ion will abstract a proton from this hydrogen peroxide, yielding this anion, which will then attack the carbonyl carbon in the starting material to yield this tetrahedral intermediate like this. This oxyanion, when it collapses back, it allows the migration of this phenyl group to this oxygen that in turn releases this hydroxyl ion. So what we get as a result is this benzene ring now attached to the oxygen, this oxygen, and the carbonyl is restored. And because we had started with an aldehyde, so we have the hydrogen here, and it releases the hydroxyl ion in the solution. This hydroxyl ion then in turn attacks the carbonyl carbon that is formed here, and forms another tetrahedral intermediate. And this oxyanion, when it collapses back, it allows the transfer of this bonded pair towards this oxygen, forming a phenolate anion. So we get this anion along with the removal of formic acid. This phenolate then abstracts the proton from formic acid, forming a stable phenol, and the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is formed as a result. So what you see as a result of this reaction is that the aldehyde or the carbonyl that has been oxidized to carboxylic acid, here you can see, and this peroxide has been reduced to OH. So again, it's a redox reaction. A very interesting application of this reaction is the conversion of salicylaldehyde to catechol. So if we have this ortho hydroxylated benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde, this upon reaction with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of a base will be converted into catechol. This is catechol, and this sodium salt of formic acid will be produced as a result. Similarly, the reaction can also be proceeded with ketones, and in that case the byproduct will be a sodium salt of acetic acid or an acetate anion would be released as a result. So this is all about Dakin oxidation. We'll come up with more named organic reactions in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for now.